Hello my Legion modelers and welcome to another painting video. This time it will be painting a figure in 1:35 scale made by Rield Field Models. Here you can see a German officer. I start gluing the arms with a super glue because this figure is special. And it's not from plastic, but it's from resin, which is really cool, and adding a lot of details to the figure is amazing, as you can see right here. After that we cut off excess pieces from the head, adding officer's head, and here you can see closer look, and start cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol for better hold of the color. After the cleaning, I start spraying the figure with just a primer from a spray can, and that's all. And after that we move to another gluing of some officers from Tamiya kit. As you can see, adding a bombshell, gluing the torso to the feet, and adding another leg. When the gluing is done, I start again spraying it with the primer color, and after that adding more shadow with the black. So now let's move finally to the painting of the German officer. I start painting the coat with a nice grey color, and after that here you can see my girlfriend painting it, another miniature. That's why she's helping me with this video, so thank you. After the painting of the second soldier, I can easily move to the head of our commander from a Tiger 1 tank, and I use some darker grey on the head, and after that skin color or some ochre color from Rebel for the face. After that let's move painting some lesser parts like belt and some other details, of course adding additional weathering on the coat as well with a black highly diluted color, and the trousers as well, don't forget it. After that I start painting highlights for the first time with just a few colors on the tip of the brush, and start painting highlight areas on the soldier, and of course some small details like belt and some additional details here and there, dots on the belt as you can see here. And after the painting of the belt I start painting gloves with just a black color, and with the step is my commander finished, and adding additional details like some variable things and some eagle on the head, and here it is. Closer look on the commander. I think it looks pretty nice, but you can let me know in the comment section below. Now let's move to another German soldier, which will be holding an ammunition shelf for our next model, and that will be an anti-tank gun from Germany, and maybe we will use it like in the future for the diorama. And you can see just painting the miniature with a black color mostly, and adding some additional highlights with the black wash, very diluted color, and we will see how it will turn out. Adding again painting the hands, don't forget on the hands because they're not using gloves like our commander, and again adding highlights, trying it on the jacket as well, really highly diluted color. And after that I start like cleaning the excess with water to turn down the highlights. And here you can see again some additional wash on the face to look like fake shadows, adding painting on the guns, and with that step is